Apache Longbow is one of the world's most advanced multi-mission attack helicopter. This attack helicopter is combat proven in its land strike capabilities. Together with other air and land platforms, the Apache dominates the land battle and enables the SAF to carry out a wide spectrum of operations to achieve mission success. Demonstrating the Apache's re-attack capability and showcasing its quick responses, Major Hui will now perform the your turn and fly right back into show center. This armor-protected helicopter is able to rapidly detect, classify and prioritize over 250 targets and also engage both stationary and moving targets at standoff range. Demonstrating the power and the maneuvering capabilities of the Apache in close air support missions, Major Hui will now perform a combat turn. The Apache is equipped with state-of-the-art longbow fire control radar and Hellfire anti-tank missiles, and is designed to fight and prevail in day, night, and in adverse weather conditions. As Major Hui performs this backward flight, look below the nose of the Apache. You'll notice the movement of 30mm cannon, which can fire at a rate of up to 650 rounds per minute and can be linked to the pilot's helmet and fire control radar. From this backward motion, Major Hui will pull up into an impressive winding climb and swings forward for his next maneuver. This advanced aerial fighting machine is capable of flying at over 300 kilometers an hour while carrying a full combat load. Flying fast at low altitudes, Apache pilots are trained to multitask while operating this sophisticated attack helicopter. They are drilled to manage the complex avionics, detect, track, and engage both air and ground targets, provide closer support, and to ensure the safety of the aircraft. Up next, Major Hui will perform a spiral dive, showcasing the agility of his fighting machine and the handling skills of the pilot. Ladies and gentlemen, this aerial display, a synergy of teamwork and professionalism, demonstrates the RSAF as an integrated force that fights as one to deliver mission success across a wide spectrum of operations. In the heart of our airport, it's our committed and competent people working seamlessly as a team to keep our nation's skies safe. Now, get your cameras ready as we are about to light up the skies for a grand finale with a bow and zoom.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jasmine and Hybrid from the Apache. I trust that you have enjoyed our display. On behalf of Team RSAF, we salute the nation with this bow.